The summer camp was basically designed for any incoming students. We have about 24 of them who join this camp. They'll all be our freshman students in the fall. So these are technically our first College of Engineering students. Where I come in is for these engineering activities. So what we did is we wanted to focus on activities that had some electrical as well as mechanical component. So we had some renewable energy activities for them. We had a windmill, we had a fuel cell, a solar cell. They put these things together, they built some circuits, they did some measurements. And then on Tuesday and Wednesday, they had to design a chassis for a fuel cell operated car. So we gave them a fuel cell and we let them use either CAD modeling or laser cut, or they can even just build it out of toothpicks and popsicle sticks, whatever they wanted. Whatever's in the room, we wanted to let their creativity flow to build a chassis that can support the wheels and the fuel cell.
Today we are making these hydrogen-powered cars by separating hydrogen and oxygen from some distilled water.
The whole idea of this is to really get them using their hands, is to get them building something from design to build, to test, and then refine that design and have a working prototype by the end of the camp. The second part of this camp, which I think actually is probably the more important one, is for them to just meet other people who are coming in, make some friends. I think, these 24 students have mingled really well with each other. I think only a few of them knew each other coming in, but if you look at them now, you couldn't tell that. Like all of them seem to be making jokes with each other, hanging out. When we went to the park yesterday, they were playing pickleball, putt-putt golf, stuff like that. So I think they'll keep these friendships hopefully for the next 4 years that they're on here.
My favorite part about the summer camp was Sunday night when we first arrived, just getting to know everybody. I decided to leave my suite door open for people to come inside and just, get to know me and stuff like that. And I was surprised, but I had a bunch of people just come in and come up and warmly approach me and were just like, hey, I'm this and that, and it's very nice to meet you. So it was just that very warm welcome that I got from the first day, that I knew that it was going to be a good week.
Working with all these people has been such a wonderful experience. Everybody is so nice and welcoming, and everybody has such different backgrounds, and it's been such a different experience for me. My favorite part of being at this camp has been hanging out with all the people that I'm meeting. We watch movies, we get food together, we just hanging out and being people. I've been able to see so many new backgrounds, so many new people. I've already had so many experiences, and I've only been here for such a short time. It makes me excited for the future.
I chose Illinois State College of Engineering because I was doing my research for prior colleges, and I was like, you know what? This seems like a very nice up-and-coming program, so why not take a risk, take that first step, and meet people with the same passion as me, same interests as me, and possibly become the first class to graduate in 2029 as an engineering major here at Illinois State. I think that we can show other people that it's okay to be nervous about things, be scared to do things, but at the end of the day, if you don't take a risk, then it's not going to happen.
I think being a part of this first class is such a wonderful experience. I don't know how many people are able to say, hey, I'm the first ever graduating class of engineers, and I'm just really looking forward to it. I'm super excited for the experience.
I really hope that we'd be able to make a lot of stuff around the school that you'd be like, oh yeah, the engineer students did that. They helped us with that. They actually designed this. Our students did this.
I think knowing that I'm paving the way makes me want to leave a good impression, especially since we are the first year. I think that we're really going to lay the pavement about what traditions we're doing, all the academics that we're going to be integrating, and I think we're really going to set the bar for these next coming years.
It makes me even more motivated. I'm looking even more forward to the fall, where we can have our entire cohort of students here and get them all in these lab spaces, get them all building stuff, and looking forward to this College of Engineering.